FSMA and Preventive Control Plan. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest information on food safety and regulations. My name is Felicia, and today we have an important topic to discuss: the Preventive Control Plan for US FSMA Food Safety Modernization Act. Introductory explanation. The US FSMA is a set of regulations that aim to ensure the safety of our food and minimize or prevent any potential hazards. Within FSMA, a crucial element is the implementation of a preventive control plan, which identifies and addresses any potential risks or hazards that could arise during food production and processing. So, let's dive deeper into understanding what a preventive control plan entails and how it can benefit us. Purpose of Preventive Control Plan is to establish a systematic approach to anticipate, detect, and prevent any hazards that may occur in the food production process. This plan helps food manufacturers or processors take proactive measures to safeguard the public against foodborne illnesses and contamination. Key components of the plan. Now, let's explore the key components that make up a preventive control plan. 1. Hazard analysis. This involves identifying and assessing any potential hazards that could occur at each stage of food production, such as biological, physical, chemical, or allergenic hazards. 2. Preventive controls. These are measures put in place to prevent or minimize the identified hazards. Examples include sanitation procedures, allergen control, temperature controls, and supplier verification. 3. Monitoring procedures. This component ensures that the preventive controls are regularly checked and maintained to prevent any lapses in food safety. It involves routine testing, inspections, and record keeping. 4. Corrective actions. In the event of any deviation or failure in the preventive controls, outlines specific procedures that need to be followed to rectify the issue and prevent its recurrence. 5. Verification procedures. This component ensures the effectiveness of the preventive controls by conducting periodic reviews, audits, and testing to verify that the plan is functioning as intended. Benefits of implementing the plan. Now that we understand the basics, let's discuss the benefits of implementing a preventive control plan. 1. Enhancing food safety. The primary objective of this plan is to ensure the safety of the food we consume. Implementing preventive measures significantly reduces the risk of contamination, thus safeguarding consumers' health. 2. Compliance with FSMA regulations. Businesses can demonstrate their compliance with the FSMA regulations, thereby avoiding penalties and maintaining a positive reputation. 3. Improved efficiency and cost savings. By incorporating preventive control into the production process, we can identify and eliminate potential hazards early on, saving both time and resources. 4. Trust and consumer confidence. Implementing this plan instills trust and confidence in consumers, knowing that their safety is prioritized by the food manufacturers or processors. And there you have it, an overview of the Preventive Control Plan for US FSMA. By implementing this plan, we can ensure the safety of our food supply and reduce the risk of foodborne illnesses. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more food safety updates. Need help with your US FSMA plan? We can help you build and develop a plan.